Hello, hello. My name is Lindy Haas of Love the Day, a site dedicated to parties, printables, and all things DIY. I'm here today to talk about my favorite type of crafting, holiday crafting. I'm going to show you how to make this really easy Oh Christmas Treats vinyl box to give to your neighbors or friends. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is upload the Oh Christmas Treats SVG file, which you can find at lovetheday.com to Design Space. You can either download this from my blog or design your own in Design Space. We're going to save it and then insert that image into your canvas. This has already been designed to be the size of my box. So we're going to ungroup these two and then we're going to weld Oh Christmas together and we're going to weld treats together so it will cut out as a whole word, and then we'll just press make it. The next step is my favorite step. It's called weeding. You use this weeder tool to weed the excess vinyl away from the letters. All right, now that we have our words all weeded, both Oh Christmas and Treats, we're gonna adhere this vinyl to transfer paper. So I've got my transfer paper, I've already cut it into a sheet. We're gonna take that transfer paper, and what I like to do is to lay it down on my mat. I'm gonna actually turn it upside down. And take my vinyl and lay it right on top of it. There we go. You're going to want to use this tool to really make sure that the vinyl sticks and adheres to the transfer tape. And then you'll want to do this nice and slowly. You'll want to peel kind of at an angle and peel that vinyl, pull it up really nice and slow. Our next step is to transfer the vinyl onto the box. So I'm going to take my treats, make sure that it's nice and centered. It's nice that this transfer paper has grids, so you can make sure that it's nice and centered. Then you're going to want to push those letters, that vinyl, onto the box. Alright, here's the box with the transfer paper still on, but we're going to slowly peel, just like we did from the corner. We're going to peel it up and it will leave that vinyl on our box. You're going to want to go nice and slow, and if a corner or a letter pokes up, just press it on down. Make sure that it sticks. So Treats is all laid down, we've got the vinyl stuck to the box, and now we're going to move on to Oh Christmas. So I've designed it so the vinyl lays on top of the treats, which is kind of an amazing feature you can do with vinyl. Again, take it nice and slow, press it on down with your finger, your hands, and then we'll slowly remove the transfer tape, leaving the vinyl on the box. And there you have it. Our Oh Christmas Tree vinyl box is completed, and now comes the fun part, to fill it. So I'm going to use just some paper shreds to kind of help fill and give the gifts some bulk. This is going to be a cookie kit, and so we have got some homemade gingerbread cookies. We've got them individually packaged, so each kid gets their own. I also have some bags to give it some height, but also in case people want to save their cookie for later. I have some frosting. And then I filled, these are jars I found in the dollar section of Michael's. I've topped them with printable, I designed these printable peppermints, put them right on top of that jar. And then of course sprinkles, you can't have cookies without sprinkles. I put sprinkles in a bag and top them with some of my printables that you can find on Love the Day. And there you have a perfect DIY neighbor gift made by Lindy Haas.